So yeah, I'm in the doghouse. You know, I love my Yoder YS640 pellet grill. And I love my Blackstone grill. It makes incredible smash burgers and smash tacos. But, you know, I like my gas grill. I just didn't have a charcoal grill. Now I do. The girls are mad, but they'll get over it once I make them some delicious treats. Let's unbox it and put it together. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So, yeah, I got another grill. Now, why did I do it? Well, my ultimate goal is to get a gaucho grill that has a Brisario. Now, those cost about $7,000. This cost about $400, a little bit cheaper. So, where the gaucho grill, you can raise and lower the cooking grates to control the temperature. This one, you can raise and lower the charcoal beds to control the temperature. Close, close. It'll tie me over until I'm ready for the gaucho grill. So let's get this put together. You can get these at Lowe's. You can get them at Home Depot. The lowest price I've seen is $369. So yeah, keep your eye out if you like what you're seeing. All right, we got our directions. We got our upper grill grate, and it has a ginormous dent right in the top. Decision time. Damn it. Alrighty, so after 6 excruciating days of waiting, the replacement has arrived. Let's take a look at this puppy. Okay, came with our parts and a wrench, so maybe I won't have to go hunting in the garage. Ah, no dents. We're doing better. They are not shy with styrofoam at all. Do a little bit of housekeeping and get some of those pieces of styrofoam swept up, and then we'll continue on. Alrighty, so after unpackaging everything except for one box that I set aside, and then I panicked because I couldn't find one of the parts for the very first step, I finally found that box, got it unloaded. Yep, everything's here, so let's get to assembling. All right, I'm gonna keep putting this thing together. I realize it's gonna kill about 17 batteries if I just film the whole thing. So we'll see you once it's all assembled. I'll let you know roughly how long it took. I will take out the time that is just based on me being an idiot. And yeah, we'll talk about it when it's finished. See you then. All right, so got it all put together. Really, it was pretty easy. The instructions were very easy to follow. There was only one step that I needed a second person for, and that's basically first couple steps build you the cart, and then you have to lift the body of the grill onto the cart. That was the only part that I really needed help. So looking through the reviews on this, there was only one problem that was mentioned frequently. And that problem was this. These here are the pans that hold the charcoal, and multiple people said that the gaps in here were too big. So someone posted that you could get this wire mesh, very sturdy, from Home Depot for about 20 bucks. And if you cut it exactly in half, it fits in these pans almost perfectly. And there we go. We're in there. So that is the fix for it. I will put the link for that product down in the bottom. So that's it for the unboxing and assembly. Join us for our next episode where we'll cook our first meal on it, some Chilean steak with pepper sauce. So until then, fair winds and following seas.